This question is asking me to infer about dimensions or side lengths of a square if the area is 70 feet squared. So the first thing I need to think about is about squares. And one thing I know about squares is that all of the sides are equal. So I'm drawing these in marks, and because each side has one mark, it means that they're all equal. Okay? So if I need to think of what numbers I can multiply that are the same to get to 70. So I'm going to use my chart to help me. And I'm going to start at 6. I know 6 times 6 is 36, but that is not the number I need. I need 70. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. I'm getting close. So maybe it's the next one. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 is too big. So 70 isn't between these two numbers. So I know it can't be a perfect square. So if it can't be a perfect square, that means that the numbers of the side lengths are not rational. And that is the answer. This can be confusing because when I think of 70, it makes me think of rectangles. And on a rectangle, it could have a side of 10 and a side of 7, because 7 times 10 is 70. But the question is asking about a square. The other important thing in the question is they use the word infer. You have to know what infer means. Infer is basically like saying, what can you predict? Or using all of the information that we gave you, what can you tell us? What conclusion can you make with this information? So when you look at it, you need to use your perfect square chart and just know whether it is a perfect square, so it is rational, or if it's not a perfect square, so it's not rational or irrational.